Alright, so we have a Pixel 4 here. Get this thing turned off. Power that off. I had one of these. Loved this phone when I had it. Alright, so there is still some adhesive stuck on this. So I'm going to go ahead and get that released all the way. Make sure it is just adhesive. Now the cable, there is a cable that does need to come off before I can do this though. Can I position it in such a way that I can just do this? You can see it's quite pillowy. So just got to go like that. So there's a couple screws that got to come off. So let's just play it safe and pull that off. And these look like T5 Torx. Oh, no, a little bit smaller. T4. Yeah, T4. Alright, now we need to pay attention to where these guys are. So that.
Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It really, really helps the channel.
Two. This whole plate needs to come off for me to do this. There's the back. Now, battery is underneath this, which is multiple pieces here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That, and then this battery is disconnected. Now, I don't think this one has a pull tab. And this one definitely doesn't. My concern right now is that this is separating in a way that I don't want it to. Gentle. gently releasing this adhesive that's on here. Be nice if I could grab this and pull it, but I cannot. Isopropyl alcohol. These are supposed to be pull strips for this battery. They failed. My recycle box. Could not think this part through. Alright, so the other thing I have to worry about is getting the adhesive off of that. There's still a little bit of isopropyl alcohol down there that I hadn't fully dried yet, so that's an annoyance. Probably not, Emily. But it'll make good content when I eventually screw stuff up. Well, it's holding a charge. So first things first, I need to clean off this edge. I gotta find my roll of Adhesive. What I'm doing is, in theory, should reactivate this adhesive a little bit. This is the annoying part of this. Getting this adhesive off this edge so I can put new adhesive in its place. Without damaging the piece of glass that is the back of this case. Let's see what happens here. What's really annoying is I'm having to custom cut this stuff. And this next time if I order a battery, I just get a rear, like just an actual, get a gasket kit if they sell them. again, the way that I'm doing this is completely and utterly wrong. You 100% want to order a gasket kit with whatever you're doing, so that way you have it. You're not having to do what I'm doing, which is basically make your own gasket kit. Some situations that's fine. Other situations like this one, you know, it'll suffice, but it's also going to be really, really annoying. Did I not get deep enough on this? I don't think I did. And you're just going to have to pray that you got close enough on everything. You're not just like I just did and just pull that off because it's not sticking to the back like I hoped it was going to. This is like that. Let's see what happens. No, I don't. All right, let's gently pull off these papers. Again, make sure they're all the way down. That's great. All right, here we go. I see something on this lens that I think I need to get off of here. Nope. Lens is just damaged. Probably from this guy running around with this thing with the back popped open. All right. There's one phone done. What I do want to do here is I want to along the back do that. And where there's adhesive, and a little bit of my paper here. I just got an iPad in. Somehow it's gone up in battery charge while not being plugged in. That's always promising, right? Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.